You have one job in life. That job is to take care of the only asset that you own. It's not your home, it's not your car, though you need to maintain those things too. The only thing you actually own is your body, yourself. If you don't take care of yourself, how can you take care of anything else properly? It's your only job. Take care of yourself. And your family, of course. But you can't take care of your family unless you're taking care of yourself. So take care of yourself and take care of your family. And that's what I've had to do. So I've been busy. And we'll get back to video very soon. Thank you.